Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online to reconcile insurance payments and payouts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks Online and log in to your account. Navigate to the accounting section on the left sidebar. Select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Click on the New button in the top right corner. Choose the appropriate account type for your insurance account, typically bank or other current asset. Label the account clearly, such as insurance payments or insurance payouts. Fill in the required fields, then click Save and Close. Next, go to the banking section in the left sidebar. Select the bank account linked to your insurance payments. Click on Update to refresh the transactions. Search for insurance payment transactions in the list. Click on an insurance payment transaction to view its details. Ensure the category is set to the newly created insurance account. Adjust the details as necessary, including date and amount. Save the changes after confirming that everything is correct. Proceed to the Expenses section from the left menu. Click on New Expense to log any payouts made for insurance claims. Select the payment account and enter the vendor or payee information. Input the amount and date of the payout. Choose the category relevant to the insurance payout account. Add any notes or attachments relevant to the transaction. Save the expense once all information is complete. Go back to the accounting section and select Reconcile. Choose the bank account used for the insurance transactions. Enter the statement ending balance and date from your bank statement. Click on Start Reconciling to begin the reconciliation process. Review each transaction to ensure they match your bank statement. Mark each transaction as cleared by clicking the checkbox next to them. Once all transactions are matched, check the difference amount. Ensure that the difference is 0 for successful reconciliation. Click Finish now to complete the reconciliation process. Review and confirm all reconciled transactions in your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.